Welcome to another episode of Unveiling History, where we explore the enigmatic secrets and incredible significance of the Taj Mahal. Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the hidden stories behind this architectural masterpiece, which holds a place of outstanding universal value. The Taj Mahal, a monument of unparalleled beauty, stands on the right bank of the Yamuna River in the Agra district of Uttar Pradesh. This iconic masterpiece was constructed between 1632 AD and 1648 AD at the behest of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. But what makes it truly special is its architectural innovation. The management of Taj Mahal complex is carried out by the Archaeological Survey of India. An area of 10,400 km² around the Taj Mahal is defined to protect the monument from pollution. The Supreme Court of India in December 1996 delivered a ruling banning use of coal coke in industries located in the Taj Trapezium Zone (TTZ) and switching over to natural gas or relocating them outside the TTZ. The TTZ comprises of 40 protected monuments including 3 World Heritage Sites: Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, and Fatehpur Sikri. 8 secrets of the Taj Mahal that will leave you awestruck. Our first stop is the world of optical illusions that shroud the Taj Mahal. As you approach the main gate, the monument seems incredibly close and large. But as you get closer, it mysteriously shrinks in size, defying your expectations. Moreover, the minarets, which appear perfectly upright, actually lean outward. This optical trick serves both form and function, providing both aesthetic balance and earthquake resistance. Now, let's debunk a popular myth. Legend has it that Shah Jahan wanted the Taj Mahal to be a unique masterpiece, so he severed the hands and gouged the eyes of the artisans. However, historians have found no evidence to support this gruesome tale. Yet, it adds drama to the romantic tragedy. Inside the Taj Mahal, you'll find cenotaphs honoring Mumtaz Mahal and Shah Jahan, beautifully enclosed in an 8-sided chamber adorned with semi-precious stones and a marble lattice screen. But here's the twist. These stunning monuments are purely for show. The real sarcophagi rest quietly in a chamber below at garden level. The Taj Mahal is a masterpiece of Mughal architecture, known for its impeccable symmetry. Minarets flank the dome tomb, and a central pool mirrors the main building. The gardens are divided into quadrants, and twin red sandstone buildings balance the complex. However, Shah Jahan's cenotaph is peculiarly positioned west of the central axis, defying this equilibrium. This odd placement sparks the belief that he never intended to be buried there at all. Over time, the Taj Mahal's pristine white marble facade has taken a hit, turning brownish yellow due to pollution. But it gets its regular facials. A mud-packed facial, known as Multani Mitti, is applied, washed off with brushes, and voila, the Taj's blemishes vanish and its glow returns. One of the most enchanting features of the Taj Mahal is its ever-changing colors throughout the day. At sunrise, it may appear pearly grey and pale pink, dazzling white at high noon, and an orange bronze as the sun sets. In the evenings, it can even look translucent blue. Special tickets are sold for full moon and eclipse viewings, adding to its mystique. Did you know that a second, black marble Taj Mahal was once in the works? Local lore tells us that Shah Jahan planned to build an identical Taj across the Yamuna River, where he would be entombed. Construction halted after Shah Jahan was imprisoned at the nearby Agra Fort. While some historians dismiss this as folklore, it adds a layer of intrigue to the Taj's history. Our final secret reveals that the Taj Mahal is not just a symbol of love but also one of power. Shah Jahan, though known for this grand expression of love, was a formidable leader. The Taj symbolized not only devotion but also absolute power and the perfection of Mughal leadership. Its grand scale and extravagance only added to the glory of his reign. Thank you for joining us on Unveiling History. If you found this exploration of the Taj Mahal as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible tales from the annals of history.